guys, from back outside again. Like, share, comment, subscribe, my friends. This is the channel we recommend. So yeah, today I'm just gonna have a quick chat about what's it like so far owning this. Is it any good? Old school, is it a super bike? I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna get into it. Only a quick thing. So yeah, so far, what do I think of it? Well, let me give you a negative. No fuel gauge. Like, please, man. Like, I'm fed up of keep resetting this flipping speedo all the time. 58 miles since the last field deal. It's just ridiculous. Like, Kawasaki, what was you playing at? Like, you couldn't even put a little light on it. Like, I don't get it. Like, why? Why? Okay. So, the traction control, ABS. Now, to be honest with you, I haven't experienced the negatives or positives. Do you get me? Because I don't know, maybe it's my style of riding or whatever, but it's never been an issue to me. And I've never owned something that had all them digital assist and stuff like that. Like, I've rid bikes that are newer than this, but didn't have them kind of kit on it. Do you know what I mean? So I don't really know. So I don't really look at that as a positive or negative for me. But that's, to be honest, that's the only negatives of this. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Oh shit. No, another negative is the flipping colour. I absolutely hate the colour. It is not a nice colour. It looks like I look like a flipping a mascot for veganism or plant-based. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's too much. Like, it's too green. It's too green. I'm not on it. You get me? It's too much. But the condition and the price was right, so I just took it. I'm due to maybe get it wrapped or something like that. I don't know. Or maybe I'll just swap it for a darker colour, black one, or whatever, innit? But saying that, on that note, I normally like my bikes melanated, like the greys or the blacks. Do you get me? I'm here with this green thing, looking like Shrek's gal. You get me? It's crazy. But it is what it is, isn't it? It does what I need it to do. It's got no issues with it. I actually love it. If I'm gonna sum it all up, I absolutely love this bike. I love it. She's old, year 2000, and she just makes me smile, man. When I smile, you smile, we smile together. That's what she makes me do. When I see you smile. That's how you see, that's what this bike sings to me, you know. I'm sure this bike, it's a she as well. Hey, I wonder if someone can give me a name for this bike. The gender of this bike is a woman. You understand? And trust me, like, having this has turned me into an all-weather rider. Apart from the snow. I'm not coming out in the snow, that's mental health, like, you don't want to be doing that. But yeah, this has turned me into an all-weather rider, this has. You know what I mean? When I go to my bed at night, me just I think about this. We have to name her, man. Someone in the comments can name her. How about that? Someone in the comments, yeah, name this bike for me. Alright? Don't make the name too crazy, you know. Or I might just take it anyway. You get me? But I love this thing. Like I said, it's bare thinking about, yeah, I'm coming out on it tomorrow. I'm not really watching the weather too tough. You get what I'm saying? As long as it's not snowing and that, I'm like, yeah, man. But going out tomorrow, it's like I'm taking her out for a date every day. Like, do you know what I'm saying? Like, she's flipping lovely, man. You know what I mean? She's got an alright arse on her and all that. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's like the new wife, like, do you know what I mean? Beautiful. Love it. Even comfortable to ride as well. You get me? Like, I can't even fault it. So you get the sporty feel mixed in with a lot of comfort, man. So it's all good. But yeah, the question is, should you buy one? Why not, man? Fucking buy it. Like, you ain't gonna go wrong. The only thing that's gonna frustrate you, in my opinion, is not having a fuel gauge. Now, I don't know about someone who's had like a more newer advanced bike like R1 and the Beamer and stuff. I don't really know, innit? But if you want something relatively cheap for a bike, and you want to have fun, you want power, you want presence, mate, I'm telling you, you won't go wrong grabbing something like this. And I'm not even saying just this. Maybe something like, in fact, no, let me not even do that. Let me not speak about bikes I've never actually owned. All right, let's put it like that. But if you used to have one of these, trust me, once you get around the fuel thing, you're gonna love it, man. You're gonna love it. I think this is the kind of bike here that most people would, if they wanted to upgrade, they'll keep this and just buy another one, if that makes sense. It's like my 7. I was on the verge of keeping that and just putting it in the garage, and yeah, just having it as a little collector's item, because truthfully the 7 is a collector's item. They're old, but there weren't enough money for them now. Do you know what I'm saying? And I sold mine for quite cheap, to be fair. When I'm looking at how much they want for one mint, I'm like, mate, like, yeah, man, it's a mad thing. It's mad. Yeah, the bike thing's crazy, man. Do you know what I mean? The bike's worth whatever it is to the person who wants to buy it or to sell. Do you know what I mean? It's like I was looking for one of these before, really, on the trader. Sorry, not the trader, on Marketplace, and the ones that I've seen, they look bad, like somebody had flipping, do you know what I mean, fully ragdolled it. The paint's no good, everything's just frigged, innit? And they're still trying to put it out for sale for like 1,800 quid and stuff. Like, I was like, okay, that's how much they're worth. Alright, say no more. But yeah, man. But yeah, so I don't know if I was to sell this. I mean, the MOT's up next month, so I need to take her for MOT, mate. Make sure I get some, you know, get 12 months back on her, mate. Do you know what I mean? And there better not be nothing crazy going on with it. But to be fair, there's not much to it anyway. Do you know what I mean? My fork seals are good, brakes are good. Yeah, all my lights are working. I don't see why there should be any problems, man. I should be calm, man. If anything, there's a couple of advisors, if anything. You get me? But yeah. But anyway, my conclusion, unless I've said it already, I cannot remember. Should you buy one of these? Yeah, why not? Buy one, have a go, have some fun, and let me know. And also, if you've actually got one of these, a ZX9R, whether it's one of these ones, this is the E model, if you got the ones before it, yo, let me know. How'd you find it? How'd you get on with it? Do you love it? Because I love mine, man. This is my baby, man. My baby girl, my baby girl. Anyway, don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.